Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome to my channel. I have an Easter craft for you today. The tools that you're going to be needing are your glue gun and glue stick, a good pair of scissors, a little paintbrush, and some paper towels. The materials that you're going to be needing are some of the Waverly Antique Wax. You can get this at Walmart. A 2-ounce bottle of this is about $3.47. This is the only item that doesn't come from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need one of these little crates that come from the Dollar Tree. If you can't find the crates, they also have a little box that is the same size. You can use that as well. You're going to need a craft stick. You can choose which one you want, either the smaller one or the larger one that comes from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need 2 to 3 packages of the little carrots, and that just depends on how many carrots you want to put in the crate. You're going to need 1 package of the yarn craft kits. This is the white little bunny, and you get enough in here to make 2 little bunnies. You're also going to need a package of these felt stickers. Now these felt stickers have the little feet and the little heads. You get 2 blue heads, 2 pink heads, and 2 purple heads, and then you get matching feet per head. You're also going to need 1 package of the chalkboard tags. You get 4 pieces in here. You're only going to be using 1. And then I'm going to try out this writer. It is a chalk writer. I got this from the Dollar Tree in the Crafter Square section, so I'm going to try it out. It's in white. It says it is wet erasable, mess and dust free, great for chalkboards, dry erase boards, windows, glass, mirrors, ceramic, and metal. So it should work great on what I have planned for it. I also have a little bit of some green excelsior that I'm going to use that I had left over from a basket that I had put together. Okay, I'm going to get cleaned up and we'll get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to use the Waverly Antique Wax, and we're going to go ahead and age the little crate. Now I really like this product. If you've never tried this product, a little bit goes a long way. I just put a little bit out. I have a small hole that I punched in the top, so I get a small amount. And that little bit is all I'll need. Just get a little bit there on the edge. And then you just want to go through and hit mainly the edges first. And then once you've got the majority of the paint off, then you can go back through and kind of brush back and forth. And it makes it look nice and antique, gives it a little bit of a weathered look. Now you can do this as much or as little as you want. You can completely skip it if it's not your cup of tea. As you can see, quick work, and it does a really nice job of adding a little bit of texture and age. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside and let that finish drying. Okay, so I also went ahead and antiqued my little craft stick. I've decided that I want to use the small craft stick. The craft stick is to make the little tag into a sign, and I thought the small one looked better than the large one, but that's your choice and it depends on what you have. Now I'm going to glue it down where the hole where the tag is glued down to the stick. If that bothers me, I'm going to fill that in just a little bit with some black marker so it's not as noticeable. Okay, so I'm going to use the Craft Decor chalk writer in white. Now this has a much thicker tip to it than I had thought. So this may not be as clean as I had wanted. I'm just going to go ahead and write carrots, 25 cents. But this craft could also be used as a table place setting, and you can write each person's name on the little tag, and then they can take this little table decor home with them when they go home at Easter. So keep that in mind. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and glue this to the tip of the stick. Just add just a little bit of the hot glue. Now the chalk writer does say that you can wipe it off with a wet towel and do it again. So if you make a mistake or you don't like how it comes out and you've used this, you can just take a damp towel, wipe it off, and do it again until you like it. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take our little crate. I'm going to put in just a little bit of this excelsior at the very bottom. And I've gone ahead and opened 2 packages of my carrots. Then I'm just going to start kind of stacking these in here. Now it depends on how many carrots you want to put in here. But that's 2 packages, so you could possibly use 1 more. Then I've gone ahead and opened the little pom-poms. Now in the kits, you get 2 large pom-poms and 2 smaller pom-poms. And then you get the little tiny pom-poms, black and pink, for the cheeks and the eyes. And then you have some felt here to do the ears. Go ahead and save that. You can use that in another project. We're just going to be using one of the large pom-poms. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and flatten out one side. Then I open the package of stickers. Now you can pick whatever color feet you want to use. I'm going to use pink, but they also have blue or purple. So you only need 1 set of feet. And then I have a solo little white pom-pom that I got out of a bag of multiple color pom-poms that I have left over. Okay. So then once you get it flattened out, go ahead and add some hot glue there. And then we're going to take this little guy and we're going to glue him right here on the side. So he's kind of half in and half out. Okay, once you get him glued down, go ahead and refluff a little bit. Then you want to put the tail up high. Go ahead, add a little bit of hot glue to that and put the tail on. Now the little feet are stickers. I'm not going to use the sticky part. In fact, I'm going to leave that on, and I'm just going to add some hot glue and then put my feet in place. Okay, then I'm going to take my little sign I'm going to hot glue it back here like this. Add a little hot glue. Go ahead and put them in and hold it. I'm going to do it just at a slight little bit of an angle. Okay, so that's how it looks with 2 packages of carrots. I think I am going to go ahead and add just a couple more, but that's up to you if you want to have a nice full crate of carrots or if the 2 packages is enough. But I think just maybe a couple more. Okay, so I just added 2 more. But isn't that adorable? Little bunny jiving into your crate of carrots. Now, this would make a great place card. You can make one each for each person, and then instead of writing carrots 25 cents, you can write their name, and then they could take this little gift home when they go home on Easter. And I thought that was just absolutely adorable. Just a little something to put on your side table or on your kitchen island or mantle. Very cute. Well, I hope you liked that craft. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do upload new content every week. Thank you so much for stopping by. You have a great day, and I will catch you next time.